Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this amazing carrot and rice head mask. Guys, this hair mask is very great for freezing hair, and it's really going to bring your freezing hair back to life, okay? And it can soften your hair, strengthen your hair, and overall grow your hair. This mask is really great, and it's so easy to make, okay? I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Gonna be starting with 1 cup, like half cup of rice, as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna be bringing it to my pot, and I will be washing it for like, I will just wash and rinse it out with a little water. And then after that, I will go ahead and add half cup of water into the pot, and then I will be bringing my rice to fire to let it cook for about 5 minutes. So while my rice is cooking, and I went ahead to cut the carrot. Guys, carrot is great for hair. Carrot can really help to bring your frozen hair back. Carrot is a great source of nutrients for your hair, as well as where they are packed with vitamin A and E, both of which help improve blood circulation on your scalp. This in turn promotes hair growth and protect your hair from premature graying. Carrot may also improve overall strengthen, thicker, and shines your hair. So carrot is so great for hair, guys. I've been using it for my baby girl's hair, and it's one of the main thing that I do use for her hair a lot. So I decided to add rice into it this time. So I've already finished chopping my carrot in little pieces. So now I'm going to be adding it into my rice. I actually didn't want the rice to cook too much, so that the carrot and the rice can just, when I drop both of them, then they can just cook together, if you guys know what I mean. So yeah, just pour your carrot together with your rice, and then you can give it another 15 minutes to cook, so that it can really get soft and tender before you start blending it, okay? So this is my carrot and rice. They have been cooking for 15 minutes, and as you guys can see, they're really soft, okay? So it's not going to be difficult to blend. So you just have to set it aside and you let it cool down before you go for the blending process. So here is my carrot. It has cooled down. So now I'm going to be transferring both of them into my blender, and then I went ahead to add half cup of water into the blender so that it can really blend perfectly, okay? So you just don't have to add too much water inside. Just add like the amount of water that you know that is going to be good, okay? And then this is my carrot and rice. It has blended together. As you guys can see, blends really well together, and it's so smooth. You don't even need to strain the mask, okay? So it's ready to use. So then the next ingredient that I added, I went ahead to add extra virgin oil. Guys, in this point, you can add any oil into it. So I added extra virgin oil just to give it that more moisture into the hair, because you all know rice can really dry out your hair. So obviously I really don't want my baby girl hair to be too dry, so that's the reason why I added this extra virgin oil. If you prefer to add coconut oil, you can also go ahead and add coconut oil, and your hair mask is ready. Guys, it's so easy. Like, it was so easy, okay? And it's really gonna help you to bring back all your frozen hair, like all your damaged hair. And this mask is great. It's really gonna help you to moisturize your scalp. As you guys can see, my baby girl's hair, her hair is always drying, okay? Yeah, we really have to moisturize her hair every single time, and the hair gets so dry, and it gets so tangled, like not tangled, but just, you know, get dry and get it doesn't look coiling anymore. So I always trying to figure out a lot of things that would be really good for my baby girl's hair. I really don't want to go too much with product into her hair. So I realized that carrots have been so great for her hair. I've already had a video only carrot mask into her hair, and it was really great. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will be dropping the video in the description box. You guys can go and check it out. Making only carrots is also great. You can just cook the carrot in the fire and just blend the carrot and add any oil of your choice inside. You can apply it into your kid's hair, and it's kid friendly, like it's kid free. It's not gonna cause any damage, okay? And I find carrots so great for kids hair, so that's the reason why I made another one, but this time I just added rice into it, and it's perfect. Like, it really softens her hair. It brings a lot of shines. So, and of course, give your baby girl hair a time, and the hair will grow really strong, thick, healthy, and just growing the hair. Okay, so my baby girl hair is very thin, so I do figure out things that can really be strengthening her hair. And since I started applying all this product into her hair, I have seen a huge difference for her hair, and her hair have been growing really nicely, and growing really thick, and like it's growing really long. Okay, so I do trim the hair, not quite long as well, so the hair have grown back. It's just like I think I trimmed the hair 2 months ago. The hair have grown really back, and it's growing really healthy. And yeah, so just give this mask a try, guys. You are going to love it. As you guys can see how I prepared, it's very easy. And you just cut them together and cook them in the fire for 15 minutes, and then after cooking, just blend it up, and then you can apply it into your kids hair. You can also apply it into your hair. I also did the rest. I put the rest into my hair as well, because she didn't use everything, so I put the rest into my hair, and it was really great for my hair. So I highly recommend this hair mask, guys. You're going to love it, okay? So if you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Give your girl some like. Tell me what you think about this video. And if you have used carrot and rice into your hair as a hair mask, drop me a comment, guys. Feel free to drop me a comment. And happy Sunday to you all, okay? Hope to see you all on my next one. Much love. Bye bye.